In this demo, we'll show you an example of how to use Amazon Honeycode to build and customize an app without programming. Amazon Honeycode is a fully managed service that allows you to quickly build powerful mobile and web apps with no programming required. With Honeycode, you can use a spreadsheet interface along with a visual application builder to create apps. You can build apps for scenarios like customer tracking, resource tracking, operations monitoring, approval processes, project management, and many more. When getting started, you can create a new workbook, import existing data, or use a template. For this demo, we'll use the Purchase Order, or PO, Approval App template. This template comes with an app that allows users to create new budget requests. It also allows managers to view and approve PO requests. We'll show you how to make some improvements to this app. We'll update the app so that users can create categories and enter them when requesting a new PO. Then we'll add an automated notification so that users get a confirmation whenever they submit a request. We'll start by launching the PO Approvals template from the Create Workbook menu. This will provide us with a pre-built app and tables containing the app's data. Next, let's create a new table that lists the options for PO category. I could enter this data manually, but instead, I'll upload a CSV file containing the categories and then name it Category. Now, we have our category list. Let's link it to the table where our PO requests will be stored. We add a new column and name it Category. Next, we create a pick list by formatting it as a row link and set the source as a newly added category table. Now, we should be able to go back to our column and pick options for it. Now, let's go ahead and update the PO Request app so that users can select a PO category when submitting requests. We will add a new content box to serve as a label for a new field. We can also change the font to match the rest of our app. Next, we add a pick list, using the category table as our source. We make sure to name the pick list Category. Next, we would normally add an action to record the category data when the Submit button is pressed. But for the purposes of this demo, we'll assume that this step is complete. Now, what if we want to notify users whenever they submit requests? To do this, we'll create an automation that sends a notification to the user whenever a new request is made. We set the condition that triggers the automation for whenever a new row is added to the PO table. Next, we choose the Notify action. We can now set the recipient as a submitter. We'll enter a subject line and the notification message as well. We can even dynamically reference data from the PO table, such as the description of the request. Finally, we publish the automation live. Now let's test the updated app since the changes we've made are instantly live for all users of our app. We submit a new PO request and then switch back to the table view. And here we can see that our new PO has been added to the A_PO table. We can also see in the notifications that our automation has run. My Honeycode mobile app also sends a notification. Finally, we'll share the app with other members of our team. Only users that are members of your team are able to receive the invitation to the app. This is just one example of how you can quickly get started with Amazon Honeycode. Customers can get started creating applications in minutes, build applications with up to 20 users for free, and only pay for the number of users and amount of data used for larger applications. Visit honeycode.aws to get started and check out the Honeycode community at honeycodecommunity.aws.